Hi to my dear watcher, how are you? What's up? In this video, we want to change this circuit, that is circuit of the converting DC input conditionally power, voltage, and current to the sinusoidal sine wave at the output with the manually controlling voltage ability. Okay. Firstly, I changing this 1 millihenry components value. Please see what will happen. Please see the peak, minimum, and other condition and details of this circuit. So when we increase this inductor here, this circuit's output, it will increase. At last, this circuit is its own voltage, power, and current gains the different condition at last. That is that at last, as you saw, the voltage of this inductor is changed and increased. Let me turn back this inductor's amount, and we are going to next thing. That is that nothing that except in this resistor. Okay, so I changing the resistor of this circuit. As you can see, when this circuit's resistor is changing, this resistor's sine wave gains at last differences. Some differences, that is that, as you can see, a little bit have with difference with this circuit is most suitable components value. I hope you know, and we are going to next component or thing, that is nothing except in this 1 kilo ohm resistor that is now in the middle of the screen. So I changing its resistance. As you can saw, the voltage of the voltage and condition of this resistor is gained some changes, and also this circuit's output is decreased because I am increasing this circuit's NPN transistor base node or P node or terminal, oh my dear watcher. That is acted by decreasing, that is effect was decreasing this circuit's output condition, oh my dear watcher. And we are going to next thing, that is nothing except then this 1 microfarad capacitor. Yes, I'm changing this. Let me show that on the scope. I'm increasing this capacitor's amount. As you can see, our sine wave a little bit distracted. So when I increase this circuit, this capacitor of this circuit, I am acting like a excuse me, a destroyer of the circuit. I am not, please, not, I am not playing with this circuit. This is just for the uh, your relevant guides. I want to lower your efforts and your originally your works. And next thing is nothing except then this inductor that is 100 microhenry. I am put it on the scope and we are seeing that this is inductor in the oscilloscope, that is our output, that is this circuit is output, and the input of this circuit is 3 volt that I showed you. Please note this is a video that means you can go to the previous videos or past of this video and please repeat and know better your relevant informations from this video. Anyway, thank you. Also, anyway, thank you. So this was this circuit output, and I am, excuse me, my finger came to front of the camera, excuse me. I haven't any other way. I'm increasing, anyway, I'm increasing this inductor's value. As you can see, our output circuit frequency is changed and decreased, and I am decreasing this to the near the nanohenry and or 1 microhenry value. As you can see, I am decreasing this circuit's output voltage and increasing this circuit's frequency, output frequency. Anyway, thank you. This is finished too. I'm going to next thing, that is this capacitor. This capacitor is normally charging and discharging. Let me try changing its value, oh my dear Richard. As you can see, this capacitor, the things that this component or this C2 capacitor of the circuit is doing is the changing the output voltage, increasing the, increasing the output voltage of this circuit, that is 3 volt here, and we are gaining above 12 volts. Wow, what a good and suitable circuit at all I'm gifted to you, that I gifted to you. Anyway, thank you from just your watching. Please gain your more relevant informations at all. At continue, so when I increasing this capacitor value, the frequency is decreasing and the voltage, the output voltage of this, wow, this circuit is stopped. Please don't use above 16 milli. Let me. This is inductor that I am on it. Excuse me. This is capacitor. Again, excuse me. Thank you. So when we changing this C2 capacitor of the circuit, our output condition of this circuit is gaining a highly change, that is that we are changing the frequency and much power and frequency too. So when we increasing this circuit is originally C2, it's C2 capacitor, our output voltage and our output condition and especially voltage is going to close our output condition of our circuit, as you can see, like a tape. Yes, originally is your comment. I am telling you my own comment, okay? I'm not kidding you, or I'm not telling you a non-professional thing, okay? Thing. And next component is nothing except an other capacitor. Other capacitor is the other 15% part of these capacitors, this tank or oscillator circuit component that is complete this circuit. And when we increase this one of these butch capacitors, the output voltage acts like a tape, and going close to our output, previous output condition of the circuit. And let me find you the next component, that is nothing except then this circuit is hearth or switcher or NPN transistor. That is most important. That is one of the most important, at last, is one of the most important components of the electrical or guiding electricity in science of guiding energy. After all, I am changing you the beta of this NPN transistor. Let me put a scope on this circuit as output. I'm changing this circuit as beta. As you can see, the amount of this transistor's switching is increase or decrease. Okay, I hope you're okay with this. Anyway, thank you just from your watching. Anyway, thank you. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, use, and comment and subscribe so I can create better contents.